Welcome to the registration to complete a website in 5 minutes on virtual storefronts for any merchant. This is your self-onboarding tutorial. We start at virtualstorefronts.com and click at the bottom, the profile picture in the bottom center. That is where we begin. And now we see support at Virtual Storefronts is our email address. We're going to type that into the merchant registration. We have a separate document that we've created on the side that has information that we're going to be used in a text document. So there we have our password, which has since been changed. Build wealth, which Virtual Storefronts does by organizing and connecting local businesses into a single network. Now we go back into login and we sign in. Boom, here we are. This is your admin panel. And now we're going to go to create business, and this is the onboarding flow to make it super easy. So you type the name of your business. Now the URL preference we like is capitals without any dashes. So we create that. Now we choose the business logo. Square format is best. And now we continue on. At the bottom you'll see that there's progress bar. Now we type in the address, and the autocomplete will, from the database, will predict where you are and fill in longitude and latitude. That's for the location, your location to the business function. Now we type in, using the tab button, the hours. Just tabbing through this is the fastest way to go. This will be, in the future, this will be even easier. This is the most time-consuming part of the process of making your storefront right now, and I think we're going to spend under a minute on this window. Virtual storefronts are locally owned, non-franchise businesses, national franchise that is. Some regional franchises that are small are allowed. And we are looking at businesses that serve the public. We're also open to professional services as well, like lawyers and plumbers. Now we click the relevant service options, and here we type in, there's some dummy text in there to give you a guide of like what you might want to type in for your store. We have this data pulled from our website. You could pull it from your Facebook page if Facebook page has a place for you to talk about that anyone might see, or anywhere else you might have a profile about your business. Just copy that. Now we select our category, and that category is associated with a set of keywords. If some of those words aren't relevant to your business, when you pull those keywords and pull your category, you can delete them by clicking the X. Now we have a tremendous number of keywords because we have a lot of web presence, and I'm going to paste those specific keywords in. And now we complete the business registration. But before we go to preview, we're going to go to the admin because we don't have phone number and website, which are key. Those will be added in when we upgrade the time entries as well into the onboarding flow. But we want to put the phone and web address in. There's other features in your storefront that are not covered here, but this is the basic storefront creation. This puts you online, and this is all crawled by SEO. This is a web solution that puts you front and center of SEO. And now we open up the preview window. On the right there, you see that there's a preview of what you're working on, and now we're seeing it in a full window. This is the list of keywords that we just put in. I call this the big list. It's see what's inside, alphabetized, and just gives everyone who's seeing your business a planning dream to figure out what's happening at your business, or what you cover, what you do, what you're associated with, like WeFunder and Ray Miller and Tobin. So it's like a word painting is almost what I call it. We just passed the phone number where you click the phone number, and on a device it'll automatically call. You click the web address, it opens a new window. This could take you to the Facebook page or other primary address that you have. And then the final feature, this isn't all the features, but the final feature I'm going to show you here is that click to share on an Android and iOS device. That'll open up the text messaging, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, all of those things. Now that you've completed your website, the final step is to go to puttingmainstreetonline.com, buy your storefront link at the top, and pay $99. Then we will publish your storefront for the world to see for $99 per year, and we will rebill you $99 the following year, and that is all of the work that you have to do in order to have a virtual storefront. That is it. You're done. Congratulations on making your virtual storefront. Brought to you by USpace, the company that makes technology without the work.